With post-war reconstruction, express trains were revived on the Takedo main line, leading to the birth of the Tsubame and Hado, which developed into luxurious express trains with observation cars at the rear. As electrification gradually extended westward, the sections hauled by the EF-58 also increased, transforming into comfortable trains free from smoke. With economic growth, transportation demand surged, making it difficult to obtain tickets. In 1950, the second-class cars were updated to Suro 60, and for the first time, reclining seats were introduced in second-class cars. These reclining seats were considered a luxury at the time and were called special second-class cars, to distinguish them from conventional second-class cars. Observation cars, which had been requisitioned by the occupying forces after the war, were returned and improved, playing a significant role in the revival of luxurious express trains. The interiors were lavishly decorated and equipped with large sofas, and the rear end featured an observation deck. The observation deck could only be utilized if the observation car was at the rear end. After arriving at the terminal station, it was cumbersome to disassemble the formation, place it on a turntable, reverse the direction, and reassemble it. Therefore, in Tokyo and Osaka, branch lines and marshalling yards were used to form triangular tracks, allowing the entire formation to be turned around so that the observation car would be at the rear end for both the outbound and inbound journeys. Before the war, the travel time between Tokyo and Osaka had already been reduced to 8 hours by the Super Express Tsubame. With post-war reconstruction and improvements to the Takedo main line, this standard was finally achieved again. With the full electrification of the Takedo main line approaching, the next goal was to achieve a travel time of 7 hours and 30 minutes.